Manufacturers of ammunition play a significant role in international markets, and their technologies and innovations have become a kind of standard. When molten metal is immersed in water, there is a sensation that the water is on fire, which is due to the large amount of steam produced. Products of almost any complexity can be made from styrofoam using heated wire. Depending on the type of threads, you can weave a reinforced hose of any size and material. An industrial paper cutter, which is gradually gaining popularity worldwide, can trim photos, paper documents, or create business cards for you. Industrial metal processing hammers can weigh over 20 tons, but operate with agility and precision, allowing the production of even small items. In general, the manufacturing process of tennis balls is quite high-tech. Many forming materials have to be imported from countries located on 4 continents, indicating the global nature of this production. Handcrafted metalwork is usually used to create custom items where adjustments need to be made during production. Solar panels are a useful and additional source of energy in any production, but they also have some drawbacks, one of which is the constant need for cleaning from dirt. Sublimated noodles are considered a Japanese invention. This product appeared on store shelves in 1958 and is the most popular fast food in the world. For fabric production, threads are threaded into the loom. The weaving method depends on the manufacturing technologies used at the plant. Different types of materials can be used in one fabric, allowing the market to offer fabrics for any requests and specifications. Silicone is rolled multiple times before being made into cookware. Thank you for watching until the end. Watch our next video, and you'll like it even more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it.